What number is after 15? "16 is after 15 and 15 is before 16. How many days are in a week? There are 7 days in a week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. How many months are in a year? There are 12 months in a year: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. How many hours are in a day? There are 24 hours in a day. What comes before 12? "11 is before 12 and 12 is before 13. How many fingers are on a hand? There are 5 fingers on a hand, usually. At what time is midnight? "12 a.m. is midnight. It's bedtime. 12 p.m. is noon. It's lunchtime." What's 3 plus 3? Three plus 3 equals 6. What's 8 minus 7? Eight minus 7 equals 1. How many wings does a bird have? A bird has 2 wings. I hope this quiz was helpful.
Nice! Did you enjoy this quiz? Hit subscribe for more quizzes like this one. See you next time.